Alright, this video is to help you out with 4-digit times 1-digit multiplication. So the problem that I'm going to be doing throughout all of these slides is 5,872 times 8. First method is the area model once again, and same as always, you draw the boxes out. Because of the fact that 5,782 has 4 place values, you have a thousands place, hundreds place, a tens place, and a ones place. Therefore, you're going to need 4 of these boxes across right here, and we only need 1 box come down because of the single digit, unlike the double digit that we had before. So once again, I just wrote the equations inside of each area, and I once again got my partial products. Sorry, I forgot my commas there for my thousands. And I once again just very carefully checked my zeros. That's what I did in the light blue, is I just checked how many zeros I had in the box, and that's how many I need in my answer. So once again, you would have 5 thousands times 8, and you would get 40 thousands. Double check my zeros, and everything looks good. Then I have 7 hundreds times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. That's 56 hundreds. So I have my 2 zeros. I have 8 tens times 8 is 64 tens, is 640, and 8 times 2 is 16. Once again, add up your partial products, and you get your total product down below. So the expanded form, same partial products, same multiplication problems, same everything. This expanded form, you just write it out to the right there, and you expand out your number, and then make sure that you're multiplying every single number on top by the 8 groups. So once again, wrote out all the equations, all of my partial products, and once again my final product. For the algebraic notation, once again, just like we've seen in the past, you want to expand out the big number, the 5,000, into your parentheses, and then take your single digit number, the 8, and do your jumps into the parentheses, and making sure that you're multiplying every time you jump in. Once again, partial products and your final product at the end. Shortcut method. Here we obviously want to start with our 8. We go 8 times 2 is 16. We drop the 6 ones, carry the 1 10. 8 times 8 tens is 16, plus the 1 10. Oh, whoa, what am I talking about? Sorry. Wow. 8 times 8 is 64, plus the 110 would be 65. So I drop the 5 and carry the 6. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 6 more hundreds would be 62. So drop the 2, carry the 6, and 8 times 5 is 40, plus the 6,000s is 46,000. And there's a shortcut. So now I'm going to be doing one live, so you can kind of follow along and see how I am thinking about it and what I'm doing here. So I'm going to be doing, I don't know, let's go with 6,414, and I'm going to multiply that by 5. Why not? I'm going to do the area model just because it's a method that a lot of kids are very, very good at. They're very comfortable with it, and we're going to stick with it. So I'm going to just basically just draw a very long, narrow rectangle. And I want to make sure it's broken up into 4 sections. And I'm going to expand my big numbers. So this is 6,000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 4, and my single digit 5 goes on the side. So in this first box here, I have 6,000 times 5, and that is 6 times 5 is 30. And I want to check my zeros here, and that looks like I have 3 zeros, so I want to make sure I have 3 more zeros in my box. And then I have 4 hundreds times 5. 4 times 5 would be 20, and that's 20 hundreds, so I need 2 more zeros. 5 times 10 is 50, and 5 times 4 is 20. So once you get all your partial products, that's what each one of these boxes are, is a partial product. You want to add them up. So I get 30,000, 2,000, 50, and 20. Add them all up. I get 0 in the ones place, tens place, looks like I get 70. Nothing in the hundreds place, so a 0, comma, to separate. 2,000 plus nothing there in the 30, so that's just 2. And then, of course, the 3. So my total answer is 32,070. Alright, well, I hope this helps, and good luck on the homework.